There we go. Oh shit. Oh. How do you feel?
So good.
Good.
But this one used to be on the way and breathing.
Really?
It wouldn't let me like go breathe the deep. It's not like always, but there was like a few days definitely when I couldn't like take a whole breath.
How about now?
Fine.
So let's see here. All right, neck, shoulders, lower back, and hips.
The hips, I wouldn't say it hurts, it just cracks.
Okay.
Like when I go like on the opening.
Yep.
Cracks here definitely. I don't know. Maybe I just need a new hip. So yeah. On the back, neck definitely, lower back definitely, and the upper back is like on the left side, like here, mostly.
Okay.
It's like not constant. I don't know how it depends, but yeah.
Any trauma, accident?
Broke the collarbone once, but it was when I was like 10 years old maybe. Like,
Okay.
something like that. And one more time when I was born, they broke the same bone.
Okay.
I have some scoliosis, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, a little bit of rotation down here. That left side's raised up just a little bit compared to the right. Okay.
Yeah, I can feel it down there.
On that, yeah, I figured you would.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh, there we go. Let me have you sit up on the table. Bring one leg on each side. Perfect.
The neck was a big one.
Whew. Good. There we go. Go face down again for me.
Alright.
You're still a little bit short there on that right side. Oh yeah.
Any special breathing?
Nope. Oh. Ooh. Catch your breath.
That was good.
What did you feel?
Pain, crack relief. Like at the same time.
Felt it all the way up there?
Yeah.
Good. How do you feel?
feel good.
Good.
But this one, he used to be on the way and I'm breathing.
Really?
He wouldn't let me like go breathe the deep if I go. It's not like always, but there was like a few days definitely when I couldn't like take a whole breath.
How about now?
Fine.
Heck yeah.
That's good.
This is how I need to be feeling.
Yeah.